Tank armor changes greatly depending on the position and even angle of the attack, being able to have over 10 times higher armor in some more well-protected places compared to the least protected. This results in warheads with shaped charges to have widely different results depending on where the strike is done, from almost no damage to an immediate ammunition detonation, often tossing the turret up in the air. While a strike is better than no strike, if possible the best section is from behind, as the wider area of less protection is found here, often being able to penetrate into the tank through the turret or engine compartment, leading to a completely destroyed tank, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.